What's up, OMG Nation? Today I am on my way out to Henery Horton State Park. The Hog Chapter is having a picnic there. I'm going out there to film a video with one of the members of the Hog Chapter who had an accident on her Harley. And my purpose of filming this video is maybe there will be a slight nugget in this interview to help anyone else, and even to help this member never experience that again, hopefully. And if this does help anyone else, then that's kind of the purpose behind it. This video hopefully will come out on a Wednesday, and then the interview will come out on the following Sunday. So roll that intro. What's this say? Nope. I will have to turn around. Let's see if I can get it without it. Putting the foot down. Whoop, whoop. That's a good Yui, baby. Alright, let's go this way. Picnic. Where's my picnic basket? State Park. Farmers Market established. Where I'm going. I should have did a better job of figuring out where I was going. There's literally a sign that says picnic area this way, and then that's it. There's not another one unless I missed it. Did I miss it? This is a skeet range. Do not enter. Unauthorized vehicles not permitted. I want to go down there. What if I'm authorized? How do I know? Alright, well, might be down there. I think that's it. That was it. I still have no idea where I'm going, so I see some motorcycles over here, so I'm going to try this. Yeah, I believe I'm in the right place now. I see the flag.
Feedback. That's 11.
Yes, 11 and 11.
Okay, we're good. All right. Look at it. Look at Ed.
You got lucky, brother. Go with it.
I got lucky.
Yeah, Ed, get back.
I'm gonna be the referee.
Ed, stand there.
There's 11. Okay.
Well, I don't know where that guy ran to, buddy.
I need one person to help me really quick. One person.
I can be a helper.
Okay, come on. So the idea is that you have to cup your hands. The idea is you want to pass it down to each person and then pass it back.
What, the sand?
The idea is whoever can get it back the quickest and have the most sand. Get your hands in.
It's not all gonna fit.
You have to pass it all the way down. Keep passing. My hands are team building. It's got to go back.
It's gotta go back. Don't get your hands off.
Keep your hands in Put your hands up.
Don't dust your hands. Put your hands under. Put your hands under. You keep more sand if you tip it. They're done already.
Yes, get that in there.
Oh my gosh. Okay, it's close. I don't know. What do you think?
Let's put them on the ground. Level that one just a hair more on the left. They look identical.
I think it's a tie, but
They look identical.
I mean, we were down on it, so.
Yeah.
All out. There
Don't mess the camera up.
Yeah.
Wow, you can't be away from all this fun.
little bit of the picnic for the Hog Chapter meeting. I'm following my buddy Ronnie back to Franklin. So I'm gonna montage this up just a little bit.
I now know why they went around. It was one way.
Oh, that why he's looking at us crazy?
What's that?
That's why he's going.
Right.
We just went the wrong way down a one-way street. I hope Ronnie tied that little chair down. I don't want that sucker to come flying off the back of his bike and hit me in the noggin. Guess we're gonna do a little passing. Exactly where I'm at. I should have took this way out here, but I took the interstate. It was not faster. It said it was, but I guess it was only by a couple of minutes. It definitely wasn't as pretty as this road. That was grass all over the road, because that guy's mowing grass and shooting his grass clippings into the road, which is extremely dangerous for motorcycle riders. We might as well be riding on gravel or oil at that point. So if you're listening to this and you mow your grass, just be mindful that your grass clippings are not going into the road, especially if you live on a highway or something. Shoot your grass clippings back into the yard. It's extremely dangerous for someone on a motorcycle.